Hey everyone, welcome back to Engines and hey, we started. Fee, Engines and whatever we are. Yeah, we had a baby.
We did. Came out of my hoo-ha.
It's been been really tiring.
That's why we have wine and not tea. I'd say wine is kind of fruity lemonade with the tiniest bit of alcohol.
Yeah, that's a good point.
We just drink it out of fancy glasses to... No.
Should we come clean?
Anyway, we're actually doing really well.
Yeah, just in case the few people watching don't get our sense of humour and worry about us, we're all good. It's not been that bad, really, has it?
No. She sleeps for like 7 hours a night, so golden.
Yeah, we're pretty lucky in that sense, I think. Why are we doing this video? Because we don't have anything to show you.
No, we actually don't.
So there was a reason, just a general update, I suppose.
We will eventually get round to doing something, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the time frame.
Oh, yes.
Because we realised that before the wedding, we got so much done on Misty, and since the wedding, it's been a bit slow and not much happened. And so we have a new goal. When is it? June?
June.
In June, my brother's getting married, and we're going to obviously go.
The brother that also named this channel.
Yes. But Sophie's mum is going to look after and I wasn't meant to say her name, so I'm going to bleep that out. So when you hear a bleep, that's because I accidentally said our baby's name. Sophie's mum's going to look after the baby, so we're going to go up just the two of us, which means we can fit in Misty. So the goal is get Misty ready by the something of June. We have a...
Sorry.
So I'm hoping that time frame will give us the kick up the ass to get it done. Of course, the other problem is one of us always needs to be looking after Bleep.
It's okay. We have kittens. They're really good at babysitting because they like to smother her. JK, LOL.
Oh, he's chasing the reflection from my wine glass. You can't see.
I see. Hold this.
Yeah, go and aim the camera down.
Oh no, I was just going to pick up Boomfy. Oh, he's trying to get away.
Boomf, it's up here. Yeah, he's got my sock. He's got my sock. Oh.
This is my baby.
So the new point of this video is to look at our cats. Mango is down there as well.
Oh, my thingy fell down.
As long as it's still recording, it's probably fine.
Probably, it's okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, this is my wife.
Talk to the boobies.
No.
So, also, I have been doing some stuff on CC whenever I get a free hour in the evening. So we've got a video on that coming soon.
This is the first time we've done a sofa summary in our new house.
That is true.
That's disgusting.
I did that earlier and I made the baby cry.
You make me cry.
I felt so mean. She had the saddest face. I nearly cried.
Anyway, yes, this is the first sofa summary we have done in this house, and we've been here for like 4 months.
The funny thing is, because it's the same sofa and all rental houses have magnolia walls, you probably couldn't even tell the difference. But this is a legit bigger house, nicer house. We like it.
Shit area.
Yeah, it's not the best. It's a nice area.
Can't have it all.
No.
I can't believe that you all stick with us, like, when we don't even do anything.
I think, particularly our Patriners, we really appreciate. Like, if I were you, I'd have cancelled, to be honest. Like,
me too. I wouldn't have even done it in the first place.
Yeah, there is that. We're really not very good. We'll try and get, well, like I said, we've got a CC video coming out soon. Then we'll try and get something done on Misty. The other problem with Misty is we need to buy some parts and we spend all our money on wine. So, eventually...
This is like £4 a bottle. It's really not good.
Yeah, we don't have much money.
I think it's like £3.75.
Yeah, we actually spend all our money on nappies and baby paraphernalia. They come with a lot of accessories. So yeah, I think that's it. we're doing good. We will do some more stuff. Sophie was amazing at being pregnant and giving birth. I was very proud
It was
of her.
not fun. I don't recommend it.
I don't recommend it either, but you nailed it. You did very well. I was very proud. And that's probably it, isn't it? Watch Soup Classic Motoring. He's got the most soothing voice. And it's a really good channel, but his voice is just...
I do really like his voice.
I'll put a link down below me.
Below.
I think I mentioned that exact same thing in the other video.
Yeah, you did on the other video, because I've already seen
the CC
rough
video
cut.
is near enough finished, so that will be out hopefully pretty soon. So we didn't even need to do this, really. The whole thing was pointless.
Why? We're telling people that we're still alive.
That is true. We asked it. Maybe that's what we should call the video. We're still alive. And with that, we'll end it. Happy birthday.
It's not my birthday.
Yeah, but assuming like 365 people watch this video, chances are one of them will be their birthday.
If it's your birthday,
happy birthday.
happy birthday.
But now we're ripping off Eric the Car Guy.
Oh. I didn't know he did that.
He only does it on his second channel. I don't know if you've ever watched those ones.
No.
He always says, if it's your birthday, a very special happy birthday. Because once it was my birthday, and I commented saying it was my birthday, and he said a very special happy birthday in reply, and I felt really happy.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
So in the off chance Eric the Car Guy's watching, and in the even slighter chance it's his birthday,
What are
happy
the chances?
birthday back to you, sir. I like your videos.
He wouldn't watch our channel.
No.
No one watches. Some people watch our channel.
I'm still sure Mr. Regular does.
Because he steals my things.
Yeah. The other day he said about autumnal being a good word.
Did he actually?
Yeah, I thought I told you about that.
What
You were saying
a
how much you love the word
bastard.
autumnal, but I don't think we've ever mentioned your love of the word autumnal on this channel, have we?
Maybe he has cameras in our house.
This video's gone way off track. Should we call it here? Should we just
Here.
here?
Goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Oh,
Oh.
thank you, Patrinas. Names.
Patrinas.
Yeah,
You're good.
you guys are really cool. Thank you
Thank
for supporting
you.
us. Even though we don't do anything, you still support us.
But you help us buy car parts, and that's the main thing.
That is true. So thank you. And good night. Happy birthday. Merry Christmas. Because we haven't done a video since Christmas.
We haven't. Well, we haven't done a video for ages.
Well, the last one was when I broke the car.
Oh yeah.
So,
I
yeah.
don't know when that was.
I think it was before Christmas.
Yeah,
'cause
because
you
you
were
broke
pregnant.
it. Yeah, and we were like, wow, it's gone past my due date.
And we need a car.
And we need a car.
I fixed it quite well.
But I went way over my due date.
Yeah, you did. 2 weeks.
Yeah, anyway.
Merry
Goodbye.
Christmas, happy birthday, and happy New Year. Later.
Ah!